Admob is Google's advertising platform for promoting and monetizing mobile applications. It allows application developers to promote their applications through in-app ads, monetize their applications by enabling in-app advertising, and provides intelligent insights through Google Analytics. AdSense, on the other hand, is used mostly by web sites, but can be used to keep track of your uh, earnings through mobile advertisements. So in this lecture, I'll take you through creating both Admob and AdSense account. So to start with, you have to search for Admob in Google, and this is what you should see on the screen. So click on Google Admob, and mobile app monetization the smart way. So click on sign up for Admob. It's taking some time. So I'll use my test account to go through it, and you can set up your own account if you already have it. Just skip this lecture if you want to. So I'll continue with this one and enter my password, sign in. Yes, this is the one, so I'll select this one, and it's pretty straightforward. You need to set up your AdSense account as well, so I'll select my country, name and address. So these are the details I need to enter, and for now I'll just enter my so and 4557 and continue. Select time zone. This is the one. Melbourne, Australia, Sydney. Select currency, which is Australian dollar. Continue. And you need to click on this one. Create Admob account. That's all you need to do, and all you need to do is get started after that. So that's how we do it. And in the next lecture, I'll briefly go through the different types of ads that can be displayed in mobile phones. Thank you.